Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create folders and subfolders in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, you'll need to log into your account so that all your emails can load in. This step is important because you need full access to your inbox before you can start organizing your folders. Just wait a moment while everything loads up and your email interface appears on the screen. Once your emails have fully loaded, you'll want to navigate to your inbox pane. This is the area on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is the main organizational hub in Outlook, and it's where you'll be creating both your folders and subfolders. The process for creating both is actually quite straightforward, so let's start with creating a regular folder first. Look at your left side menu where all your email folders are listed. You'll see your email account header at the top of this list. This is typically your email address or account name. Now, right-click directly on that email account header. When you do this, a context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, simply click on the option that says New Folder. As soon as you click that, a new folder will be created right there in your folder list, and Outlook will automatically prompt you to enter a name for this folder. Just type in whatever name you want to use for organizing your emails, and you're done with the first folder. Now let's move on to creating a subfolder, which is just as easy. The process is almost identical, but with one small difference. Instead of right-clicking on your email account header like you did before, this time you're going to right-click on any existing folder where you want to create a subfolder. So for example, if you want to create a subfolder inside a folder called Projects, you would right-click directly on that Projects folder. Once again, a context menu will appear with the same set of options. From this menu, click on New Folder, and Outlook will create a subfolder nested inside the folder you selected. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this subfolder, just like before. Type in your desired name, and the subfolder is now created and organized under the parent folder. And that's it. You've successfully created both folders and subfolders in Outlook, giving you a much more organized way to manage your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.